Hi guys, this is Ivory with MunchyGoddess.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make the most amazing Instant Pot hot chocolate. I'm also going to show you how to make this super fun hot chocolate bar. This will be great for Christmas Eve, Christmas morning, tailgates, baby showers, birthday parties, sleepovers, or just a fun activity that you can do with the kids. First, you're going to need some milk, heavy whipping cream, milk chocolate chips, hot cocoa mix, and some vanilla extract. Start by turning on the Instant Pot to sauté mode and adding the milk chocolate chips, heavy whipping cream, and hot cocoa mix. And go ahead and give that a stir, and then wait for the chocolate to melt. Once the chocolate has melted, go ahead and give it a good stir. And then stir in your vanilla. Turn off the sauté mode on your Instant Pot and turn on the keep warm mode. And there you go, the most amazing Instant Pot hot chocolate. For the hot chocolate bar, you'll want to gather different sized dishes, mason jars, small bowls, and sauce cups. This will make your bar stand out. For the toppings, you can get super creative. For my bar, I used big marshmallows, green marshmallows, mini marshmallows, candy canes, graham cracker crumbs, sprinkles, sea salt, mini Oreos, milk chocolate chips, candy, chocolate sauce drizzle, and ice cream. Yes, ice cream. It's very delicious. Thanks for watching.